It's been a summer of shocking numbers. Phoenix set a record with 55 straight days of temperatures over 110 degrees.
And 35 nights when temps did not fall below 90. Also a record. But one record is even less welcome, as Alexandria Cullen reports from our Washington bureau.
By early September, there were already 202 confirmed heat-related deaths in Maricopa County, up from 175 at the same time last year. And another 356 deaths could be heat-related, compared to 238 that were under review at the same time last year.
July 2023 was the hottest month on record, which that beat the previous record of August 2020. And then also August of 2023 was the second hottest August on record. So, not just July, but also August were extremely hot.
That probably comes as no surprise to anyone who lived in Arizona this summer. But being a veteran of the desert heat is no protection, which can lead people to underestimate the danger, says Dr. Jeff Comp.
No matter how long you've lived here, no matter how much adaptation you have, you ultimately just get too hot. And this is unfortunately, it's really heavily impacting the homeless population.
It's not just people who are unhoused who are suffering from the summer's historic heat. Indoor heat-related deaths are increasing as well. In many of those cases, victims did not have air conditioning or it was not on because the AC was broken or the victims could not afford to run it.
We automatically think about our unsheltered neighbors, which face a huge risk and vulnerability through the summer. We also see our indoor death numbers climbing every year.
According to the latest numbers from Maricopa County's Department of Public Health, 48% of deaths as of early this month were from non-homeless living situations. And Warner says it's not just an urban problem. She said people and organizations alike are working on ways to prevent any more heat deaths or injuries to people across Arizona.
There are definitely efforts across the state to figure out what heat relief looks like, not just for the major cities, but for rural areas as well, which pose a whole different set of challenges than we face in Maricopa County.
Warner says that the Heat Relief Network was able to expand its offerings this summer to include hydration stations, cooling centers, and respite centers. In Washington, Alexandria Cullen, Cronkite News.